send the demo charge and destroy it, you can literally tape up the box, and we'll know that that box is blown up. If your ammo's in the box, they don't.
If we can get them, we can move them over to our regen.
Oh,
and then blow them up.
Not 3 to 5, they'll be here. There's no electricity, so we can only keep ice for so long.
I've only seen him out once or twice.
Moving on, search the body. This is something that I haven't seen in a lot of places with airsoft. It's pretty common in paintball. If I kill this guy and he's got props on him, I can say, hey, search the body. I'm out. Okay? Universal sign. Stop freaking shooting me.
Not hello.
Dead rag out with the props. Dead rag up.
Ghost, where's Circus?
Lucky, you see them? They're kind of far up over there.
Where's the trail go?
They were shooting up because the ricochets were coming out of trees.
Is the trail this way?
It goes this way.
Goes that way?
But also left. They're up over something over there. We just can't see them.
Can we not make our way up that way?
I don't think so.
We got 2 shooters right here and right here.
I just got the one on the left.
You got the one on the left, good. There's more. They were talking a lot. I'm about to push through this brush. It'll be pretty noisy. See if they pop their heads up and you see where they are, okay? I'm about to push through this way. It'll be kind of loud. Get ready. Good job, good job.
Watch to the right too. See him right there to the right?
I'll lift that guy up.
I told you they're right there.
I know.
Right to the left.
Hey!
Jeez. Hold your hands up. They're shooting at me, not you.
Hey man, I'm hit! Did you not see that?
Brent, I got 2 of them up here in front of me. That's one down. There's also one laying to the right of the trail. I see his feet moving. See him moving? They're falling back.
That's us, right? Wolverine fire?
Yeah, that was ours.
They're fighting behind us. Polly, see anything? At least 2 up front, maybe 100 feet to 50 feet. Creepers over there, Sykes there, Hodges back there, Polly. Okay, we're good.
Someone is making a heck of a lot of noise. Got him. Good job, guys.